Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm hanging outside with the two little rascals. Where are they? Oh, they're there. I got them their own rakes, kids rakes, so they're content and happy playing in water and raking my front yard, so I'm happy. But I figured I wanted to show you guys what our outdoor setup is. We have goats, ducks, and chickens. We've kind of adapted to what we need and how it works for us. We were at our old property and had a different similar setup, but now that we're here with mostly dirt, it's been really nice. And we actually brought our setup from Alpine to where we live now, and it's been working well. So let me show you guys what we have. Maybe something will work for you guys as well. So let's take a look. All right, so let me show you our big setups. We have our Nigerian dwarf goats here. We have 4 crested pekin ducks here, and then we have 19 chickens down at the end. So starting with the Nigerian dwarfs. So these are all 10 by 10. Don't mind these two little rascals. Go rake, guys. Jaxie boy, can you go rake for mama? Clean up my leaves? Jaxie, can you go clean up the leaves, Papa? Are the goats silly? The goats are silly, huh? Ducks. All right, so our first up, Nigerian dwarfs. We have 2 goats in here, 10 by 10 pens from Tractor Supply. We've done the galvanized roofing up top, which has worked so far, so good. The only downside is if the panels are not secured to each other, if you have rain can sometimes get into the cracks. You have to make sure you secured them well. They have some stuff to climb on. We have their water. Connie's over there climbing up top, doing what goats do best and enjoying her food. So enjoy, Con. Our crested pekins in here, they obviously love to swim. So they're molting and shedding their feathers too, so they're making a mess everywhere. But we have a couple water dishes. They do get the little swimming pools. Sam, thank you, Sam. He's incredible, but he built this for me. All 4 girls do lay, so when I have those all fluffed up for them, they will give us big old duck eggs. It's great. Jaxie boy, come on, baby. Let them eat. Thank you. Good job. Oh yeah, way to go, buddy. All right, 2 more handfuls, and then we're gonna let them play. If anyone knows anything about ducks, it's about how absolutely dirty they get and the mess they make with water. So this water thing, probably because they're in dirt, gets changed every other day, or else it's just a mud bath they're taking. All right, come on, boys. Let's go check out the chickens. Jaxie, let's go look at the chickens. Yeah, come on. Let's go, guys. Show us where the chickens are. Bye-bye, duckies. Good job, baby. Okay, so checking out the coop. This is our setup. It connects 10 by 10 pen with the medium OverEZ chicken coop. We've done a review on this product before. Thank you, OverEZ, because this is incredible. It's life-changing for anyone who has chickens. So door locks, obviously amazing, secure. Come in here, you have 2 roosting bars. You have the 3 the nesting boxes down there, plus the window for airflow, vents up top. And this is the medium sized. And then over here, this locks as well, but easy access to collect your eggs. My girls are still young, so they're not laying yet. And then we'll lock it, secure from predators. So we've connected the 10 by 10. This little chickie wants to come hang out with me. Let me get in here. So we've connected the 10 by 10 right to the OverEZ. The girls have their ramp to go in at night. I leave it open for them. And we've also had to put the chicken wire at the whole base. We got to bring in more dirt to fluff up this. But we unfortunately had coyotes, I believe, get in here and killed our last group of chickens, which was awful. So these girls are only probably maybe 6 months old. Still growing. My rooster's hanging out right here. We also have the OverEZ waterer and feeder. Love them. The whole OverEZ setup is amazing for the chickens. Super easy just to take care of. It's like, I don't even know, 50-pound bag of food I just put in there. But love this setup for the chickens. Aren't they so beautiful? You're just hanging out, huh? What are you doing? You just hanging out with me? Thanks, girl. So that is it. Chickens, ducks. Now, also, we have the bigger pond right over here, which I will take out when the dogs are locked up inside. We fill it up right here for them, and we let everyone graze. The chickens are just starting to learn kind of I'm trying to get them used to their coop so they know where to come back to. But everyone else, they all graze and they love it. All right, so that's a wrap. That's our setup here. Ducks, goats, chickens. My recommendations, especially for the chickens, is this OverEZ setup. Their water, their feeder, plus their coops, incredible. The quality is amazing. Ducks and goats, so everyone is in a 10 by 10 pen with the galvanized roofing, and it works out well. I mean, I love it. It's simple, it's easy to take care of. We're in the dirt here. We had concrete set up back at our old property, which was a little easier to hose off, but I am liking it. What do you think, Jax? You like it? Your hands? Why are your hands so dirty? What'd you do?
Dirty.
Dirty. What are you gonna do?
What?
Water?
Yeah.
Okay. These kids. Thumbs up. All right. Reach out if you have any comments, questions, concerns. See you guys on the next one. Bye.